So today I'm going to be installing the car seats into my Dodge Challenger. For my twins, they're almost here, so almost here. Maybe about a couple more days away, maybe about a week or two. We don't know. Yeah, it could be here this week, but you know, I'm going to get ready and be ready by installing these two car seats into the Dodge Challenger. So let's get right into it. Alright, so we're going to start with the passenger side car seat. I'm probably going to put Michaela here on this side as well. And then maybe Gianna will be on my right side. So, put it down. Try to have some ample space back there. Well, for a Dodge Challenger, it's not that bad in a sense. Like, let me get back here. So it's really not that bad. Like a full-size adult. Like I'm pretty much 6 foot and I can fit back here. And it's pretty roomy back here. I think most people underestimate the size of a Dodge Challenger. Unlike its, its brother, the Dodge Charger. It's not a four-door sedan. I was thinking about upgrading to a Dodge Charger RT, but obviously I'm not going to be getting that anytime soon. I would like to be getting it next year if I do decide to still upgrade it. Other than that, I do love the space of a Dodge Challenger. It is pretty spacious. You can put car seats back here and really make things fit. Okay, so then that part is done. So that's the finished product. Both car seats are in the car now in my 2016 Dodge Challenger. So can it be done? Of course it can be done. Wasn't that hard of an install. Pretty simple. You install the baby. There's also room back here if an adult wants to go back here and watch the babies right here in the center. Also, when the girls get a little bit older, you can drop the cup holder so they can put their sippy cups and such. So not that bad. I say it's not that bad. I would recommend it. If you're starting out, if you wanna, this is okay start out. If you wanna upgrade to like a Dodge Durango or like a Dodge Charger or a bigger vehicle, then yeah, of course, and be my guest, upgrade. Challenger, you don't really need to upgrade your car to fit car seats into the car. There you go. I'm gonna put my car seat back. And I'm gonna close up my door. Yep, can it be done? It can and it will be done. There you have it. You can fit car seats into a Dodge Challenger. Now I can't wait to see my twins. I really can't wait to meet them. So this is for you, mamas. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Also favorite and share this video. This is Michael David Moore signing out, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.